Villa Tjajkovski was erected under the challenging conditions of an archipelago island, where deliveries have to be made by boat. Wood was chosen throughout for the structure, the facades and the furnishings in order to create a lightweight building and minimize heavy shipments. Villa Tjajkovski stands on Husarö in the archipelago just outside Stockholm, Sweden's capital, and was completed in 2006. The building's low and horizontal form stands in contrast with the tall pines around it. The relationship with the dramatic archipelago landscape informed the interior design, which aims to create an interplay between the rooms and nature. The 3 large rooms open up onto the terrace and the water. A horizontal wooden screen on the exterior provides shelter from the wind and creates a play of shadow. In many ways, the boundary between inside and out has been erased. The characteristic facade has a frame of sawn pine heartwood, with overlapped plywood sheets finished in a black glaze that impregnates and protects the wood. Internally, the walls and ceilings are clad with exterior tongue and groove boards painted white. The floorboards and doors are white oiled oak. Furniture such as wardrobes and bunk beds was specially designed and built on-site. Villa Tjajkovski was designed by Tam och Videgård Hansen Architects and nominated for the Swedish Wood Award in 2008.